Today, I am reviewing the Garmin Venu 3S. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When you look at the current landscape of wearable technology, it is easy to get overwhelmed by the sheer volume of options that claim to do everything under the sun. I have spent a significant amount of time analyzing the Garmin Venu 3S, specifically this 41mm model with the soft gold stainless steel bezel and the French gray case. If you're curious about current pricing or want to see the specific technical specifications for your own setup, I have included some links down in the description below that you can check out if you're interested. Getting into the reality of this watch, it is clear that Garmin is trying to bridge the gap between a high-end fitness tracker and a lifestyle smartwatch that you would actually want to wear to a dinner party or into the office. The design is a major departure from the chunky, overly tactical look that defined the brand for years. With this 41mm size, it sits much more comfortably on smaller wrists, and the soft gold finish against the French gray silicone band gives it a sophisticated, muted aesthetic that feels premium without being flashy. The display is the first thing you notice. Moving to a 1.2-inch AMOLED screen represents a massive upgrade in clarity and color depth compared to older Garmin models. Everything is vibrant, the blacks are deep, and the brightness is high enough that you will not have any trouble checking your stats while running in direct sunlight. However, there is a trade-off here that you need to be aware of. While the AMOLED display is beautiful, it does put a higher demand on the battery. Garmin claims you can get up to 10 days in smartwatch mode, but that is highly dependent on your settings. If you keep the always-on display active, that number drops significantly. For most people, you are probably looking at 4 to 5 days of realistic use if you are doing daily workouts with GPS tracking. That is still much better than what you get from many competing smartwatches, but it is worth managing your expectations if you are coming from a traditional transflective Garmin display where you could go 2 weeks without seeing a charger. The user interface has been refined to take full advantage of the touchscreen. Swiping through widgets is fluid, and the touch response is snappy. It feels modern, which is a big deal because for a long time, Garmin software felt like it was designed for engineers rather than daily users. The integration with Garmin Connect is where the real value lies. If you're the type of person who loves data, this app is going to be your best friend. It tracks everything from your heart rate and sleep quality to your stress levels and body battery. The body battery feature is one of those things that sounds like a gimmick until you actually start paying attention to it. It gives you a score representing your energy reserves, and it really does correlate with how you feel after a bad night of sleep or an intense workout. It forces you to look at your recovery as a tangible metric, which is incredibly useful if you tend to overtrain. One of the more interesting additions is the sleep coaching and nap detection. The watch doesn't just tell you that you slept for 6 hours, it tries to give you context. It accounts for your HRV status and your daily stress to suggest how much sleep you actually need. The nap detection is a nice touch, though it is not perfect. Sometimes it takes a little while to register that you are actually napping, and if you are just sitting on the couch watching a movie, the watch might occasionally think you are dozing off. It is an estimation, and you have to treat it as such. Don't take these numbers as absolute medical facts, but use them as a trend line to see how your habits are impacting your overall well-being. The phone connectivity features have seen a serious boost. You can make and take calls directly from your wrist, and while the speaker quality is perfectly fine for quick conversation in a quiet room, I wouldn't recommend it for a long business call in a busy airport. It is convenient for those moments when your phone is in the other room and you don't want to miss a call. The voice assistant integration is another one of those quality-of-life improvements that makes the watch feel more like a true smartwatch. Being able to dictate a text message response through your phone's assistant is a huge time saver compared to tapping out letters on a tiny screen. It works reliably when you have a decent connection, but it is entirely dependent on your phone being nearby. If you are an Android user, you get a bit more flexibility with direct texting capabilities, which is a nice perk if you are fully locked into that ecosystem. Fitness tracking is where Garmin still earns its keep. The Venu 3S is packed with preloaded workouts for strength, cardio, HIIT, Pilates, and yoga. The animations on the screen are actually helpful, especially if you're doing a specific yoga flow or a strength movement you aren't entirely familiar with. It is like having a digital coach on your wrist. For the wheelchair users out there, this watch includes a specific mode that tracks pushes instead of steps and offers workouts tailored to that lifestyle. It is a thoughtful inclusion that shows Garmin is paying attention to a wider range of users, and the data tracking for those specific activities is quite comprehensive. However, we need to talk about the limitations. If you're a serious athlete who is training for an ultramarathon or an Ironman, this is likely not the watch for you. It lacks some of the deep, granular training metrics that you would find in the Forerunner or Phoenix lines. You won't get the same level of training load analysis or advanced performance forecasting. This watch is designed for the active person who wants to stay healthy, hit the gym, go for a run, and keep track of their recovery, but it isn't a professional-grade training tool. If you find yourself obsessing over exact power metrics or complex physiological data, you might feel a bit underwhelmed by the feature set here. Then there is the build quality. The stainless steel bezel adds a nice touch of durability and style, but it is also a potential scratch magnet. If you are prone to bumping your watch against door frames or gym equipment, you might notice some wear on that soft gold finish over time. The silicone band is comfortable and soft against the skin, which is important because you really need to wear this watch 24/7 if you want to get the most out of the health tracking features. If the band irritates your skin or feels too sweaty during a workout, it is easy enough to swap out for a different material, but the included band is a solid starting point for most people. The music integration is a standout feature for anyone who hates carrying their phone on a run. Being able to sync your Spotify, Amazon Music, or Deezer playlists directly to the watch and connect your wireless earbuds is a game changer for outdoor workouts. It is seamless once you get everything set up, though the initial syncing process over Wi-Fi can be a little slow depending on your home network. Once it is on the watch, it works flawlessly, and I haven't experienced any major dropouts or connectivity issues with my earbuds. One thing that might frustrate some users is the lack of a rotating bezel or physical buttons for every interaction. While the touch screen is great, there are times when your hands are sweaty or you are moving quickly when a physical button would be much easier to use. Garmin has kept a few buttons, but the reliance on the screen means you have to keep the glass clean. Smudges can build up, and while it doesn't affect functionality, it can be a bit annoying if you are the type of person who likes to keep their gadgets looking pristine. When it comes to the sensors, the heart rate tracking is very consistent for day-to-day activities and steady-state cardio. If you are doing high-intensity interval training where your heart rate spikes and drops very quickly, you might notice a slight lag compared to a dedicated chest strap. This is a common limitation of wrist-based optical sensors, so if your primary goal is high-intensity training, you should probably pair the watch with an external heart rate monitor for the most accurate results. For 95% of the population, the internal sensor is going to be more than enough, but it is important to understand where the technology hits its wall. I also want to mention the morning report. This is a feature that greets you when you wake up with a summary of your sleep, recovery, and a quick look at your calendar for the day. It is a small feature, but it is one of those things that becomes a ritual. It helps set the tone for your day. If the watch tells you that your body battery is low and your HRV is unbalanced, you might decide to take a rest day instead of pushing through an intense workout. It encourages a more intuitive approach to fitness, which is something that a lot of people in the modern world really need. There is also the matter of the price. The Venu 3S is not a cheap watch. You are paying for the brand name, the ecosystem, and the specific design language. You can certainly find cheaper fitness trackers that provide similar heart rate and step counting data. However, what you're paying for here is the combination of the Garmin Connect software, the build quality, and the specific mix of lifestyle and fitness features. If you are only looking for a step counter, this is overkill. If you are looking for a comprehensive health monitor that looks good and doesn't constantly bug you with notifications, it hits a very specific sweet spot. Who is this watch for, then? It is for the person who wants to take their health seriously but doesn't want their watch to look like a piece of lab equipment. It is for the professional who wants to track their stress and recovery during the work week and then use that same watch to track a 5K on the weekend. It is for the person who values the long-term data tracking of the Garmin ecosystem but wants a modern, high-resolution screen that feels like a premium piece of jewelry. Who should avoid it? If you are a competitive athlete who needs deep, specialized data, look toward the Forerunner or Phoenix lines. If you are on a tight budget, there are plenty of entry-level trackers that will give you 80% of the functionality for half the price. And if you are someone who really dislikes the idea of having to charge your watch every few days, you might want to stick with a watch that uses a transflective display, even if it doesn't look as sharp or vibrant as this AMOLED screen. The software experience is generally very stable. I have had very few bugs or crashes in my time using it. The updates come through regularly, and Garmin seems to be committed to improving the software experience over time, which is a good sign for the longevity of the device. The syncing process with the phone app is fast, and the data presentation is easy to digest. You don't need to be a data scientist to understand what your metrics mean. The app does a great job of explaining the why behind the numbers, which makes it much more actionable for the average person. One final note on the design. The 41mm sizing is a great move. Garmin has struggled in the past with making their watches feel too bulky for smaller wrists. The Venu 3S feels balanced and lightweight. You can wear it to bed without it feeling like a massive weight on your arm, which is essential for accurate sleep and recovery tracking. The French gray color is subtle and professional, and the soft gold bezel adds just enough contrast to make it look intentional. It doesn't scream tech gadget, which is a big win in my book. In terms of the value proposition, you have to weigh how much you value the ecosystem. Garmin Connect is a huge part of the experience. The fact that your data is stored securely and you can look back at years of health trends is a major selling point. Other brands might offer better, smart features like deeper app integration or more robust voice assistant capabilities, but they often fall short when it comes to the long-term fitness and health tracking side of things. Garmin sits in a unique position where they have mastered the fitness side and are finally catching up on the lifestyle side. If you are currently using an older fitness tracker and you feel like you have hit a plateau, or if you are using a standard smartwatch and you are frustrated by the lack of health-focused data, the Venu 3S is a very strong contender. It is not going to replace your smartphone, and it is not going to turn you into an elite athlete overnight, but it does provide the tools to understand your body better. It helps you make more informed decisions about when to push yourself and when to slow down. In a world where we are all constantly bombarded with notifications and stress, having a device that encourages you to pay attention to your own energy levels and recovery is actually quite refreshing. The criticism regarding the battery life is worth repeating, though. If you are coming from a watch that lasts 14 days, you will feel the difference. You have to get into the habit of charging it while you are in the shower or sitting at your desk for a few minutes each day. If you don't build that habit, you will find yourself with a dead watch at the worst possible time. It is a small adjustment, but it is an adjustment nonetheless. The touchscreen responsiveness is another area where I have been pleasantly surprised. I have used many smartwatches where the screen felt sluggish or unresponsive, especially when your fingers are slightly cold or dry. The Venu 3S handles this well. The interface is designed with large icons and clear swipe gestures, so you aren't constantly fumbling around trying to find the right menu. It feels intuitive, and that is a testament to the work Garmin has put into their software design over the last few years. Ultimately, the Garmin Venu 3S is a well-rounded device that manages to balance the needs of the fitness enthusiast and the everyday user. It isn't perfect, and there are definitely areas where it could be improved, like the depth of its training metrics or the battery life when using the always-on display. But for the vast majority of people, it is a reliable, attractive, and highly functional tool that does exactly what it promises to do. It takes the guesswork out of your health and fitness, and it gives you a clear picture of how your daily habits are affecting your long-term well-being. If you are looking for something that is more than just a step counter, but less than a professional training computer, this is definitely a device that deserves a spot on your list. It is a solid, practical choice that doesn't try to be everything to everyone, but instead focuses on doing a few key things very, very well. Whether it is worth the investment for you comes down to how much you value having that data at your fingertips and how much you appreciate a watch that looks just as good in the office as it does on a trail. It is a polished, mature offering from a brand that knows exactly who its audience is, and for many people, this watch will be the perfect companion for their daily journey toward better health. I hope this helps you get a better sense of whether this fits your personal needs. Again, check those links below if you want to dig into the technical specs or see current pricing. There is a lot to like here, and as long as you understand the trade-offs regarding battery and training depth, you will likely be very happy with the experience. It is a reliable piece of hardware that feels like it was built to last, and in a market full of disposable tech, that is something that is becoming increasingly rare. Take your time to consider what you really need from a wearable, and look at how these features align with your daily routine. If you prioritize health monitoring and style over everything else, this is a very strong option to consider. It is not about finding the perfect watch, because that doesn't exist. It is about finding the one that fits your life and helps you achieve your goals, and for many users, the Venu 3S hits that mark with confidence.